Hello guys, welcome to YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So today we are going to learn sets. Sets is another kind of data type. Previously we learned lists and tuple, and now we are going to learn about sets. Sets itself are mutable and they can be used for mathematical purposes. Okay, sets are represented by these curly braces, as you can see. Tuples was represented by simple brackets, and lists are represented by square brackets. Sets are represented by curly braces. Okay, so we print s and we give a set of this 1 2 3. And I want to tell you one more thing: the sets are just what should I say, unordered pair unordered pair of lists. Okay, unordered list, you can say that. Okay, as you see, s 1 2 3 1 4, there is 1 2 times, but when we print s we get 1 only one time, as it is unordered. It just checks the number of elements. If they are same, it will print it only one times. Okay, it's not it is uh, it's a set. Okay, not a list would print every item, but set would print a unique item once only. Okay, remember that, unique item once only. So we are giving s set, we are converting into set. Okay, we are giving it a list and converting into a set by using this set. Okay, we are printing s, we are getting a set. You can see that 1 2 3 unique items. Okay, so we are having a s as a set, empty set. We are checking its type, and we can see set. Anything you can check, any type of data. You can check type of data of any type of data by using this type keyword. Okay, just write type and give a parameter of whatever thing you want to check, uh, its type or data type, whatever data type you want to check. You just write type in front of it. Okay, add element to a set. Okay, so we are giving a one, sorry, we can add single using add. Okay, so there is a simple uh, what should I say, keyword called add. We are taking a list s12, we are printing s1, will get a because set doesn't support indexing. Okay, as it is unordered. When we print it, it only prints unique items, so it will not support indexing as it is unordered. How can it support indexing if it is unordered? It will be mixed. Okay, we can't use indexing here. Pretty easy. Okay, so now we use add element. Okay, we say s, which is our set, dot add, dot add 2. We add 2. Okay, so when we print s, we get 2 here. Previously, you remember, we have only s1 and 3 here. Okay, now s dot update 561. Similarly, same, it's simple. We use s, or we use update with this syntax, simple bracket, then giving a list of elements. It will just add that in a set. Okay, so similarly, s dot update, we can give multiple lists and tuples. It will just add it. Okay, no problem. Unique items will be printed. Set. This set we are getting. Pretty easy and intuitive topic. So we're removing an element. So sorry, there was just okay. S, there is a set 1 2 3 4 5, and printing s, we get it. And we use s dot discard 4. We are discarding the element 4. So look, we are getting 1 2 3 5 in second line. Okay, so we discard it. S dot remove 2. We again remove element 2. Okay, it's pretty easy. Remove, discard. You can use it. Now let's try. Let me. Let's try here too. Okay, 0 1 2. It's remove. It removes the two number two element. Okay, element. It doesn't support indexing. Okay, remember. Similarly, where s dot remove 2, it also removes an element. You can use remove or discard. But when we use 7, it will give a key error. Obviously, 7, there is no element as 7, so how will it remove it? Obviously an error. Okay, but when we use s dot discard, it will not give any error. Okay, it will just print whatever the set is left with, or unchanged set it will print. But when we use remove, you will get an error. Similarly, you can use dot pop. If you remember, we used it in lists also. S dot pop, and we print s. It means first element is printed. It means sorry, remove random element will be deleted. Obviously, you can do again. It will another element. Okay, so another same element has been removed. Let's do pop 5. Sorry, I tried to give it index. So pop will work only for random elements. Okay, random elements would be deleted. S dot pop again we are using, so 2 is removed. Uh, it is supposed to be random, but it's going by line wise 1 2. Okay, no matter. Let's do S again. We are getting a set S dot clear. We just cleared the whole cell. All items of the set has been deleted by using dot clear function. Okay. Now set operations. Obviously we used it in maths. Okay. We have to use it in maths as set is one of the important features of maths. Okay. So we are having a set 1 and set 2, and union of we are having a union of two sets. Union of two sets means just addition of two sets. So addition of unique elements of two sets. So this is the union symbol here, and we printed, so we get the unique elements of both the sets in one set. Or other ways, you can use the word union as set 1 dot union set 2, and in union you give parameter set 2, and it will work vice versa also. Set 2 union dot union set 1, it will work that way also. Now intersection means common elements of both the sets. You can use this and keyword for sets, or if we are not using a set, it will give it, it's just a bitwise operator as we have studied. Okay, or you can use similarly set 1 dot intersection set 2. There's both ways you can try. Now set difference is set 1 minus set 2. S2 elements of set will be removed from S1 if there are any. So you will get 1 2. So see, look, S1 minus S2. S1 is this, S2 is this. So S2 elements, whichever there are, will be removed from S1. There are 3, 4, 5 here, 3, 4, 5. So when we do S1 minus S2, 3, 4, 5 will be removed and 1, 2 will be left. Simple. And dot difference is again another way of writing it. Okay, pretty simple. Uh, Now then, symmetric difference, set of elements in both S set 1 and set 2. It means common elements will not be printed, other than everything will be printed in both the sets, and this operator is used. And you can similarly use dot symmetric difference set 2. So just another way of writing it. Okay, sorry. So you are giving it another, let's see, you are giving a string of set, and similarly y is also a string of set. uh, then x is subset of y. It's a query. Okay, so query means uh, we are asking x dot subset y, that uh, is x is subset of y. We are asking that x, checking that x is subset of y or not, and it will give a boolean value false or true only. Is dot is subset. Subset means that if this is a b c d e and this is c d, so both all the elements of y are present in x, so y is a subset of x, not x is a subset of y is a subset of x, and that is what it is printing, that y is a subset of x, true. Okay, it's pretty intuitive. I think it's pretty easy to understand. You must be understanding it, but you can ask anything in comment section. Frozen set is another thing. It's a characteristics that what should I say, that it can't be changed when once assigned. Okay, uh, it is a type of set, and while tuple are immutable lists, frozen sets are immutable sets. Okay, so as let's see, it's pretty simple. We just write frozen set in front of it, and we give it values, and we try to add it. S1 dot add 5. It is not possible in uh, normal sets. Addition is possible, and mathematical operations are possible, but mutable and editable things are not possible. Okay, so here addition is also not possible. Similarly, indexing is also not supported here in frozen sets. Union of sets are uh, supportable here. Okay, so union of set 1 and set 2, we are getting it answer in a frozen set only. And similarly, intersection and okay, it's just both type of intersection is also possible. We get output in frozen set only, and symmetric difference is also possible. Symmetric differences, just common sets, common elements will not be printed. Other than every element will be printed. Okay, so I think I was pretty clear here. And if you have any doubts, comment section is always there for you. So thank you.